Spider. Order Arachnida or Arachnidae, any of more than 46,700 species of arachnids that differ from insects in having 8 legs rather than 6 and in having the body divided into 2 parts rather than 3. The use of silk is highly developed among spiders. Spider behavior and appearance are diverse, and the arachnids outside Europe, Japan, and North America have not been thoroughly collected and studied. Lifespan. Most spiders live about 2 years, but some have been known to live up to 20 years when in captivity. Female spiders tend to live longer than male spiders. Many male spiders reach maturity within 2 years and die after mating. How does a spider mate? Spiders reproduce sexually. However, the male's sperm is not inserted into the female's body from within the male's genitals. If courtship is successful, the male injects his sperm from his palps into the female's genital opening, known as the epigyne, on the underside of her abdomen. Why do male spiders die after mating? Some males recharge their pedipalps and mate again with the same female. After mating, the males of some species smear a secretion over the epigynum, called an epigynal plug, that prevents the female from mating a second time. Male spiders usually die soon after, or even during, the mating process. All spiders are predators, feeding almost entirely on other arthropods, especially insects. Some spiders are active hunters that chase and overpower their prey. These typically have a well-developed sense of touch or sight. Other spiders instead weave silk snares, or webs, to capture prey. Webs are instinctively constructed and effectively trap flying insects. Many spiders inject venom into their prey to kill it quickly, whereas others first use silk wrappings to immobilize their victims. General features. Spiders range in body length from 0.5 to about 90 mm, 0.02 to 3.5 inches. The largest spiders are the hairy mygalomorphs, commonly referred to as tarantulas, which are found in warm climates and are most abundant in the Americas. Some of the largest mygalomorphs include the Goliath bird-eating spider, Theraphosa leblondi or T. blondi, found in parts of the Amazon, and the pinkfoot Goliath T. apophysis, limited to southern Venezuela. The smallest spiders belong to several families found in the tropics, and information about them first became known in the 1980s. Female spiders generally are much larger than males, a phenomenon known in animals as sexual size dimorphism. Many female orb weavers, such as those in the families Tetragnathidae and Arachnidae, show extreme size dimorphism, being at least twice the size of males of the same species. The extreme difference in body size appears to have arisen through selection processes favoring fecundity in females and bridging, locomotion in males. Bridging is a technique used by spiders for orb web construction. The spider produces a silk thread that is carried by the wind and becomes attached to an object, forming a bridge. Small, light males can build and traverse silk bridges more rapidly than larger, heavier males can. Scientists suspect that this gives small males more mating opportunities, thereby favoring selection for their small size. Spiders are found on all continents, except Antarctica, although spider fragments have been reported there and at elevations as high as 5,000 meters, 16,400 feet, in the Himalayas. Many more species occur in the tropics than in temperate regions. Though most spiders are terrestrial, one Eurasian species is aquatic and lives in slow-moving fresh water. There are a few species that live along shores or on the surface of fresh or salt water. Small spiders and the young of many larger species secrete long silk strands that catch the wind and can carry the spiders great distances. This behavior, called ballooning, occurs in many families and expedites distribution. Some species are distributed in this way around the globe within the bounds of the northern jet stream. Ballooning spiders drift through the air at heights that range from 3 meters, 10 feet, or less to more than 800 meters, 2,600 feet. Importance: all spiders are predators. Because of their abundance, they are the most important predators of insects. Spiders have been used to control insects in apple orchards in Israel and rice fields in China. Large numbers of spiders have also been observed feeding on insects in South American rice fields and in fields of various North American crops. Modern pest management strategies emphasize the use of insecticides that do the least damage to natural predators of insect pests. Although many spiders produce venom for use in capturing prey, few species are toxic to humans. The venom of the black widow, genus Latrodectus, acts as a painful nerve poison. The bite of the brown recluse and others of the genus Loxoxyles may cause localized tissue death. Other venomous spiders include the tarantula-like funnel web spider, genus Atrax, of southeastern Australia, and some African members, baboon spiders, of the family Theraphosidae of Africa and South America. In North America, Cheracanthium milday, a small, pale spider introduced from the Mediterranean, and the native Cheracanthium inclusum may enter houses in late fall and are responsible for some bites. Occasionally tissue death at the site of the bite occurs. Some American tarantulas throw off abdominal hairs as a defense against predators. The hairs have tiny barbs that penetrate skin and mucous membranes and cause temporary itching and allergic reactions.